Esau also made effort, but it was late. That is the picture of so many Christians. Some other people will have it easy, but when it comes to your turn, it's a struggle. Can you cast your mind back to your mates in primary school, in secondary school, university together, NYC together? Look at where some of them are. Somebody said to me, when I was in school, I kept myself pure. Beautiful, good sister. He said, some of my friends, every weekend, toaster will come and toast them like bread. Every weekend, they go to club. He said, one of my colleagues aborted 11 times. After school, he still got married to a beautiful man. He still has baby. Me that kept myself a virgin, nothing is happening. It's not ordinary. I lift up my hand. Everything that makes your life hard, make your daughter's life hard, make your son's life hard, comes to an end today. Your blessing will happen timely. You will be timely directed. You will be timely informed. Helpers will appear for you early. In the name of Jesus.